2022 개정 초4영어 최의경 6과 단어공부 Level 3 단어 플러스 응용 스토리
Cookies for Ruby.
This book has many food pictures.
She reads a story from the book. Do you like cookies?
Sure.
I bake cookies with my dad. He can do the cooking. I clean the table before cooking. I help with the mixture. We made lots of cookies. I take a picture of my cookies. I fly my drone to Ruby. I'm watching the drone. It flies and passes the bag to Ruby. Ruby's doing her homework in the backyard. Ruby picks up the bag. She laughs and waves. I draw Ruby eating a yummy cookie. I take out the trash after dinner.
2022 개정 초4영어 최의경 6과 단어공부 레벨 3 단어 플러스 응용 스토리였어요. 구독 눌러주시고 다음 영상도 함께해요.
Bye bye.